Hey everybody, this is Craig.
This is KJ.
And this is Truly Remarkable Life. And today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to tell you about our plans for the future.
There you go. Good. Insert intro.
Intro.
1, 2, 3, shaping this destiny.
So what we got going on here is Craig and I are moving.
Yes.
It's nothing huge. We're still going to be in the St. Louis greater metropolitan area, but we're going across the river to the state of Illinois.
Yes, we are going to be Illinoisans. We made the decision a little while back. We have a rental house that's over here in Illinois, and it needed some updating and some repairs, and we started that process and realized that this house would probably be a much better fit for us. And with all of the improvements that we're doing to it, it's probably going to be the nicest house we've ever had. So
part of what we've discovered as we've gotten older is we have a lot of stuff. I mean, just a lot of stuff. And, you know, from a financial aspect, you pay a lot of money for a lot of stuff. And I don't just mean in acquiring stuff, but you got to have a bigger house to hold all your stuff. And that means you pay a bigger mortgage, and you pay more taxes, and you pay more insurance. And guess what? You heat and you cool that big space that's full of stuff.
Right.
And we've come to realize that right now we use maybe 40% of our house.
Yeah, it's one of those deals where our house is owning us and requiring us to do a lot of work and a lot of cleaning, and we have to maintain it, and we don't need it, we don't use it. So while we love where we live and we love our neighbors especially, you know who you are.
We have the best neighborhood.
We do, we really do. It was a difficult decision, but we have to do what's right for us. And part of our plan for the future is to really learn how to live a lot more simply, downsize, and in retirement, whenever that may be, sooner hopefully than later, we want to be
we want to be able to, you know, obviously we have a travel channel. You know, we want to be footloose and fancy free. We want to be able to travel, and part of downsizing is going to give us that freedom to be able to travel more, not have so much stuff that you have to maintain and keep up with and deal with, right?
Yeah, and plus, the older I get, the less I want. I've said this many times. In fact, people have asked me, when are you going to stop getting rid of stuff? And I said, when I miss it. I haven't missed almost anything I've gotten rid of. Even some of my favorite things that I've decided to part with, I don't miss them. And a little background for us. When we got together 7 years ago, he was in a 3,000 square foot house. I was in a 1,600 square foot house. We combined those into a 1,300 square foot house. So we've already done this once. This is the next phase. And now we're going into a 1,000 square foot house. Actually, it's less than 1,000 square feet. Think about that in terms of tiny houses. It's only maybe 2.5 times a tiny house.
2 times, that's it.
Yeah, so I think the limit for a tiny house is 400 square feet, so we're going into about 950. So it's really preparing us to learn how to live differently, simply, and you know, as one of our friends say, find our freedom. I don't want to steal their line. But for us, it's about living a truly remarkable life, and to live a truly remarkable life, you have to free up the space, the time, the money to do that.
Yeah, so we're really excited to take all y'all on the journey with us of downsizing and remodeling this house. And it's going to be quite the journey.
Right, so stay tuned, because right now you may have heard some saws in the background. We're actually at the property now, and we have people working inside. We're doing a lot of the work, and we're going to bring you along with that and show you a tour of the home, show you ripping out the kitchen, ripping out the bathroom, making it a little more modern and simple and user-friendly for us.
Yeah. And I know I'm excited. It's, you know, to get into a smaller place, have less stuff, and I'm the financial guy, so I'm really excited about the money saving aspect.
I am too. But also we're getting rid of a lot of things, and so maybe we'll share some of that experience with you as well about making those decisions and letting things go.
Yeah. If you haven't already,
go find your truly remarkable life.
Bye. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and catch us on Facebook and Instagram also.
Please, we'd appreciate it.